With your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Ashley DiMartino. We are talking about winds for the start of the week. Monday, a weather action day due to the fact that most of the state is under an advisory, a watch, or a warning, if you can believe it. Here in the valley, southwest winds will be strong, gusting up to 50 miles per hour. Up north, we're talking about wind gusts as strong as 70 miles per hour. We are going to see a wind advisory for western, central, and southern Arizona for Monday, and up in northeastern Arizona. This is going to be portions of Coconino, Apache, and Navajo County. You are going to be under the high wind warning throughout the day. You will be seeing some of the strongest wind gusts across our state. Could see some isolated 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We do have the red flag warning for southern Arizona. This is going to include portions of Pinal County. That goes all day as well. Relative humidity in those areas down to less than 10%. When it comes to the dust cast, yes, blowing dust will be a concern. We definitely are going to be in that high risk category of visibility being less than a mile in some areas as those winds pick up by mid-afternoon, early evening. What we're going to be seeing temperature-wise is pretty much like what we've been seeing throughout the weekend. Overnights are going to be in the 50s, gradually warming to those upper 70s by mid-afternoon and staying in the 70s pretty much all the way through about 9 o'clock at night. So here's a cold front that's going to be coming through, again, kicking up those west-southwest winds. The system drops through on Tuesday, and northern Arizona does have that chance, about a 20% chance to see some very light rain and light snow. That'll linger through Tuesday morning. The system lifts out by Tuesday, Wednesday. Things are nice and dry. More of a northwest wind develops for us. Things should be relatively calm with clear skies and sunshine throughout the rest of the week. Let's talk temperatures in our overnights. Around the valley, we're going to be sitting in those low 50s, but around the state, we'll see an overnight low of 56 in Bullhead City, 31 Flagstaff, 42 Prescott, 43 Globe, and 41 in Show Low. Afternoon temperatures around the valley will sit in those upper 70s to low 80s. Around our state, 68 for Bullhead City, 73 for Quartzsite. We'll see 50 for Flagstaff, 61 for Prescott, 56 for Payson, and 72 is the high for Globe. Our temperatures will drop. That cold air comes in. We'll hit those 60s and be about 20 degrees below where we should be for this time of year on Tuesday, but that is the coolest day of the week. We are going to have 70s on Wednesday, a stretch of 80s before we could possibly get our first 90 of the year by next Sunday.